This is the current setup. Not ideal. So we're gonna design and make something to attach here and cover this because this doesn't work anymore. There's the sun there. Right. Prototype. Well, that's how the prototype sits. I think it needs to be angle's wrong. Couple of changes. We need to change this so it fits here. We need to make alterations to this to accept a phone slot in with no case and a case, because I want both to work, and to make it a bit prettier. Nice. Successfully printed. Pretty good. Just take the brim off and we're good to go. Actually remembered the port for charging this time, which is handy. Right. Just had a couple of minutes to cool down. I mean, right, let's see if this thing fits. One side in. Right. Oh, you're kidding me. That's annoying. Okay, anyway, let's see. Pretty solid.